Here are the 7 ways to make money using ChatGPT. Even you don't have any skill, any money or any audience. If you don't know about ChatGPT, it's a software that will answer questions, write articles and create simple software with a code. It does all these very well, just like a human will do it, and it even does it faster. Fourth way going to make you a lot of money and very less people know about it. But let's talk about first one. You can make money using ChatGPT as a freelancer. You can sell services on Fiverr or any other platform like Upwork. Now you don't need to learn that services or you don't need to deliver that services by yourself. Just go to Fiverr and find the services that people are looking for and that you can deliver by the software. I'll give you some examples like writing articles, product description for online stores like Shopify. You can see here are the people offering article writing services and charging around $25 for 500 word blog post. Now you can also do the same. You can write article using ChatGPT and you can sell on the Fiverr. If I show you another service, it's a product description for online stores. You can see there are people who are offering these services. I will be your engaging Shopify production description writer. So people are even charging $95 for product description. Now here is the catch. You don't need to learn these services to deliver. We are going to use ChatGPT to deliver all these services. Just go to ChatGPT, search on the Google OpenAI and scroll down below and click on the ChatGPT. Make your free account. Type any idea for the article like I want article on how to make money online. So in just 40 seconds, the whole article is ready and it's a very impressive article. Now you can sell this article on Fiverr. You can make money by delivering any services using ChatGPT on Fiverr. Second is YouTube automation business. In just few seconds, I will tell you how you can make thousands of dollars with just little work. This business model is the art of creating a YouTube channel that does not need the face of the owner to be shown. The videos are created using stock footage or videos and voiceovers with lot of effects and background music. The video upload will tied to a particular niche. The owner of the YouTube channel will upload the videos consistently till the YouTube channel has lot of videos to start generating a lot in ad revenue and also paid sponsorship. Now here ChatGPT will going to do all the heavy lifting for you. You don't need to create any content by yourself. ChatGPT can create video scripts that generate lot of views in any niche, and you can make videos by using those scripts using stock footage or videos from the free websites like Pixabay, Pixels, and then you will upload those videos to the YouTube channel, and that's how you can start making money with YouTube channel. Now fourth way going to make you a lot of money by creating software tools using ChatGPT. Yes, ChatGPT can also create software tools, and for that people don't need to know about even a single word of coding or programming. You just need to tell to the software what type of software you want to create and it will create for you. It will write the code in the back end and create the tool so that you can use it. This method can be used to make money by selling software or even to the people who are looking to solve a problem. Now you can charge high prices for the software because you are solving a targeted problem here for the targeted people. You can create softwares like QR code, keyword generator. Also, sixth way going to be very easy. Anyone can make money from that. But first, let's talk about fifth one. Fifth one is you can make money on Quora using ChatGPT. For those who don't know about Quora, it's a question and answer platform. It has 400 million visitors every month. You can monetize your content and make money by just simply answering questions on Quora. To answer the questions, you can use ChatGPT. You just need to ask your question on the software that you will going to answer on the Quora. It will give you the best answer, and if you want you can change little bit that answer according to your expertise, or you can simply just copy and paste that answer on the Quora. Now with the help of the software, you can answer a lot of questions in just short span of time. If you put 1 hour daily on Quora and answer questions to the people, you write genuine answers, then you can make good amount of money. Next one is you can sell your own services on social media platform like Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, YouTube. Like you can give translation services for the foreign and business owners. Also, if you don't know how to translate, that will not going to be a problem, because we are going to use chatgpt to translate the stuff. You just need to put that stuff you want to translate on the chatgpt and tell the software you want to translate into English or Russian or any type of or any language you want to translate, and it will translate for you the whole stuff, and that you can deliver to the person, and you can charge $15, $25 according to your stuff, your services. Next one is you can sell best AI art and make money from that. You only need to tell to the software what type of art you want to create. It will create phenomenal art for you that you can sell at good prices. Another one is you can become a chatgpt consultant. You can teach people how to use chatgpt for different purposes, for creative purpose, to expand their business, to sell their own services. Also, you can create a course or a training how to use chatgpt, and then you can sell that course and can make good amount of money. Now if you want to make money using Facebook Reels in 2023, even when you have no money, no product to sell, then click here and watch this video.